Should you buy gold right now? If you've seen the headlines or watched gold prices climb lately, you might be wondering, did I miss the boat? Or, is this actually the perfect time to jump in? Let's break it down. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk about why gold is getting so much attention, what makes it a unique investment, and whether now is a smart time to start stacking. Grab a snack. Let's dive in. Let's start with something Rick Rule, a veteran investor in precious metals, once said, "The best time to buy gold was yesterday. The second best time is today." That quote hits because gold isn't about hype or hot trends. It's about protection. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years. Long before there were banks, stocks, or digital currencies, gold was trusted. And guess what? It still is. Gold shines the most when everything else starts to shake. During inflation, political unrest, or financial crisis, people turn to gold. Remember 2020? Pandemic panic, market chaos. Gold soared to an all-time high, just over $2,067 an ounce. Now, in early 2025, it's sitting around $29.84 an ounce. That's still strong. And it shows people haven't stopped trusting gold when things feel uncertain. Gold isn't a get-rich-quick investment. It's not supposed to be. It's long-term. It's a hedge. It's there when your other investments aren't. When inflation kicks in and the value of your dollar starts to slide, gold tends to hold steady, or even rise. And if you're worried about buying at the top, there's a simple solution: dollar cost averaging. That just means buying a fixed amount of gold regularly, no matter what the price is. Over time, it smooths out the highs and lows. No stress, no timing the market. Now let's talk about something every smart investor focuses on: diversification. You never want all your money in one place. Gold helps with that. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold doesn't follow the same patterns. In fact, it often moves opposite to traditional markets. During the 2008 financial crisis, the stock market dropped 38%. Gold, it rose by 25%. That's why gold is considered a safe haven. It helps protect your portfolio when everything else is falling apart. One of the best things about gold? It's global. No matter where you live, London, Tokyo, New York, gold has value. It's not tied to one country, one government, or one central bank. No one can print more of it. No politician can devalue it overnight. Gold is just gold, and that consistency makes it powerful. Here's something people don't talk about enough. When you buy physical gold, there's no third party. It's not tied to a company. It's not based on someone's performance. And no one can default on it. You don't need a bank's permission to use it. And if the markets crash, it's still sitting in your safe, unchanged. It's real, it's tangible, it's yours. And yes, gold is liquid. You can buy and sell it pretty much anywhere, anytime. Try doing that with real estate during a downturn. Gold has buyers everywhere, 24/7, all around the world. If you ever need to cash out, you can. Big-name investors aren't ignoring gold either. Ray Dalio sees gold as a key part of his long-term strategy, especially when governments are printing money like crazy. Even Warren Buffett, who's known for being cautious about gold, has admitted that gold-backed ETFs can serve a purpose in the right portfolio. But here's what's really telling. In 2023, central banks around the world bought more than 1,000 tons of gold. That's the second highest total in history. And in just the first 3 months of 2024, they added 290 more tons. If the biggest financial institutions in the world are stockpiling gold, that says something. They're not guessing. They're preparing. So, is now a good time to buy gold? If you're thinking long-term, if you want to diversify, if you want a safety net for unpredictable times, then yes. Gold has stood the test of time, and it's not going anywhere. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.